Hi, everybody. I'm Helen Panza, and I'm your instructor for BUS220, which begins on August 19th, 2024. BUS220 is composed of Learn-Its, which you're all familiar with, assignments almost every week, and live sessions, as well as Yellow Day. We will have 4 live sessions this term. They will be held on August 20th, September 3rd, September 17th, and our last one will be on October 1st. They'll be held at 8 a.m. or 6 p.m. Pacific time. Check your course for links, and of course, I will be reminding you of those live sessions each time we have one. Our class this time is going to be a little more writing intensive than your last course. So get your pencil sharpened. Make sure you start your course early. Your first writing assignment is due during week 1. It's not trivial. Refresh your mind, refresh yourself on grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Those are all part of the writing process. Get started early on the 19th with your first Learn It. Read all the announcements that are available and our welcome message. Get an open mindset going and get your grit on. It's going to be a fast and furious 8 weeks, and you're going to be learning a lot. We're going to cover topics like management, the environment that management operates in, leadership, teams, how to influence others. It's going to be very interesting, relevant topics, and we start right off the bat on the 19th of August. So don't delay, and of course, reach out to me anytime if you have any questions. I'll see you soon.